Hi guys, hello, welcome sa to our YouTube channel ni Madam Pislat guys, no? O karong adlaw guys, di ami karon check-in sa Fili Hotel. Kaya anak ko mi guys, kalagla ako mi karong adlaw. Sige guys, tanawon na mo kung sa imong mahimo diri no. Kuha na ko among room number. Darang among number guys. 2406. Friendly kayo sila diri guys. Kay kailan na ni sila ng kulit. Purutan na ng ilang picture na. Hindi kaya ilang wall picture pa guys. Wow, sana all. Mga tayo guys. Ilang mga pictures. Soroy, gimig tuda.
Thank you, Madam Pislat. We're here again at Fili Hotel. Thank you. Thank you kayo, Madam Pislat.
Nagsaan guys? Nagsaan na may makalaang diri. Once in a blue moon, once in a month. Pwede ko kaya na mo, no? Mahal kay diri. Kapag may nanginom ng coffee, inom ng dilit sa inyo inom. Nengkot kami guys, kaya namin bisita ka ko. Bisita ko po. Enjoy life. Life is too short. As long as we can. Okay guys. Okay guys, see you. Breakfast time.
Okay.
7 o'clock.
Okay.
You wake up early.
Where you park the Volvo?
In parking place, we can go together now. You just check in first.
Around
Guys.
around the 60.
Very nice. I cannot see down. Oh, Tara guys. Yes.
Oh.
This 5. The next
6.
Tara. Here. This is your room, Aki. Okay. Then you open. Uy, again, here you must put it.
I'm mistaken. Because
Okay.
too luxury for me.
Tulog sa amin sa iyang kwarto guys kay kanang kuan.
Please show.
Dili mi wait na diri ha. Nami ko
everyone.
na room. So welcome in your room, Aki.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Super nice, no? Wow.
Too much for me.
Okay. Arigato. What did means arigato?
Thank you.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Yes.
Oh.
You can be
Okay.
Japanese soon.
Yeah. So that is his bed here. The same our bed also from 16. So, and this is a view to the sea. Wow, sea view.
Sea view.
Wow, wow, wow.
From-
Super.
From
Super here again,
Yes.
Aki.
Yes. Bohol.
Yeah.
I can see Bohol.
If you want to swim, Aki, you can
Yes.
swim over
Yes.
there.
Can I
Yeah,
dive
but-
from here?
Yeah,
Can
you
I
can.
dive from
You
here?
can. You can.
Can I dive?
No,
here?
because
Oh, I'm
Notaro?
afraid I cannot
Notaro?
look. I cannot look at them. Okay, guys. Okay, thank you for
Bye.
watching.
Bye.
That's all,
See you.
guys. See you. Ato na po Pispikas. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Nalimtan man ako ato ang YouTube channel. So guys, dano mi guys no kay kanang ako man ni mura bag kanang brother ni nako ning hapuna guys. Mura kanang we treat each other like sister and brothers. So that's
Yeah.
why
Cheers. Just water.
just water.
Just water.
Okay, cheers, Aki.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah. Cheers.
Welcome.
Thank you.
To Cebu
Welcome
City.
drink. We can get. Finally, we can get. Welcome drink.
Dara guys, no? Nowadays, siya ka ng
Patis.
sinugatan.
Patis.
So, muna sinugatan niya guys. No?
Please.
Sinugatan aning
Please
akong
guess inside
brother
the
nga
box.
hapon guys. Dara. So, muni. Dara. Duha ka. Give me this one box.
Yeah.
2 boxes.
Yeah.
And I don't know what is inside.
Yes.
Let's open it. Okay? Taratata. 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 What does that mean? Oh, nice. Wow. Panaksan man eh. What is that meaning, Aki?
Cup.
Cup. Okay.
Glass of
Wow.
Japanese sake. Yeah.
Dara.
Yes, this is a
Nice,
traditional design.
So, na
Why laughing? Why you laughing?
Nice,
You are-
okay. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. And also the same one.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Try.
Okay.
Open.
I will open also, huh?
This is
No, this I think she don't like it. She like perfume. Because younger.
This is
Oh, nice color.
can of the
Oh, nice color. Thank you, Aki, from Japanese.
Chicken.
Pasalubong.
This is a chicken.
Huh?
Chicken.
chicken.
Can you see? Chicken.
Yeah. Chicken.
Yeah, chicken.
Oh, very big chicken, guys.
Yes.
Tara. Thank you, Aki, for this very nice pasalubong. No? Okay. Thank you. Tana, ito na ni ko.
It's okay.
Para
it's
sa
up
kwan.
to you how to use it. Yes.
Ah, yes. Okay. It's nice decoration. Okay. Thank you so much, Aki.
Yes, I will bring next time Japanese sword katana.
Before, I have a lot of remembrance from Germany, but I don't know where are they now. Okay, thank you so much, and thank you for watching. Bye bye bye.
the
Where is the
wheelchair.
elevator? You can see easy.
Always laughing. We're always laughing, guys. No, laughing is
Here.
very healthy.
Yeah.
Okay, we're on the way to down. Yes.
Downstairs.
So,
Our 24
jeez.
highest. Wow.
Oh, wait.
This ground floor.
Yeah.
Hello? Ground, right?
Ground is first floor. Second is maybe float.
Tara.
20.
Okay, lahi naman sila ang kuan.
No, we call the... Ay, wala. Oh.
Ground.
Abi, uy. Anak ko naman pinaalam. Nag-stay mo na. Wag arong.
Sige ma'am. Sige ma'am.
Dili. Oh, sabi na ko yung imo na ba na dili.
Rose gold 18 cake for
18K guys, 1 million. Madara siguro 1 million, no? 18K guys, 1 million. Madara siguro 1 million. Only the necklace, ma'am? Yeah, only the necklace. Or one pair? Only for necklace. Only the necklace, ma'am? Also the earring? Or one pair? How about this necklace?
Ito.
Charlita Constanyo, say hello.
We can check.
Hi, Madam Prisla.
Maramang.
Welcome back, ma'am.
Hi, hello. Naalala mo pala ako.
Yes, ma'am. Naalala kita kapag umuulan. Naalala kita kapag Magandang gabi sa iyo, ma'am.
Sorry?
Magandang gabi sa iyo.
Ano po?
Saka welcome back.
Pinagagawa? Ano nagawa?
Hindi.
Pinaka. Kasi
Oh.
naalala niya ako eh.
Maalala ko siya. Vlogger ito si Shay.
Okay.
Number stick shot.
Vlogger siya, vlogger.
Lagi ka rin, ma'am.
Yes.
Wait, 58,000.
Ano ka namin? Ma'am.
Madam Pislat. Isa nagwalang isa na may ninyo.
Tanan, ma'am. Actually, lami ang
Mamay.
Isa dili makapahay.
Hindi magkapahibler.
Hi guys, hello. Mao na to guys, ang akong ipakita ninyo guys, no. Akong ipakita ninyo guys nga kanang video sa YouTube channel. Please like, comment and share sa YouTube channel ni Madam Pislat guys. Aron makasunod kamo sa akong sunod nga ipakita. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.